So we're joined by one of the equipment managers of the Reggae Boys, and this is Ronald Watson. Sir Ronald, how are you doing, and how does it feel to be in Austria?
Alright, it's a first time in Europe, and it's a joy for me and my family. So it's very okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And just tell us a little bit about some of the roles and functions you have with the team.
Okay. My main objective is clean the boots them, igloo, organize the ball them, make sure the coach them everything. And that's and yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that sounds good. And what is it like, working with the players day in, day out and, communicating with them and arranging things for training and games and so on?
Well, it's a joy. Especially working with the senior team is cause my main goal is always wanna go World Cup or Gold Cup and I get the chance now. And period with the senior reggae boy them, it's a joy. Come and talk to them day in, day out. When I'm there around them, I talk to them on the phone. So when I'm around them it's more easier. So you can get that training and you can see the feedback with them, you love with them show. So it's a joy.
Yeah. And how does it feel, when they tell you like what size they wear, whether it's large or medium, and you give them the right size and you see the smile on their face and how they feel and everything?
All right. The one that know most time you tell them it's one of them to come and say they need a medium. When I check it a small and them come and them cuss you, but guess what? We love it. So now man or yourself, we have it man or yourself and we come show them and then try it. So it be easy for it with them. But you know say them are gonna make you confused and so but you have to strong. You can't vex. If you vex with them when they say something, it only gonna be harder. Cause them will start pressure you. They will tell their next friend them say, yo, say that to try. Make you feel. So when they laugh with them, it become easier. Them gonna help you too. Yeah.
Stone, what's it like working with Stone?
Alright, Stone, a legend. Norman Stone, I'm a legend. We learn so much from Stone. He's a legend for work with him. So Stone still a teach me right now. It's a joy and twin Omar folks. Cause them have Stone as the best equipment manager in the Caribbean I'm hear about. And then twin. So it's a joy for work with them and learn from them. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the Gold Cup.
Wow. My dream that again. My dream. I don't know what to say about this Gold Cup. Cause we see the stadium, I see it on TV, and we say, try Watson. I go get the people stepping at that. I can't wait. I can't wait to reach a stadium and reach and set up because normally, if the game at 6 o'clock, I'm reach 12 o'clock. That's summer roll. When the players them come, them be happy, me be happy. Ball for wash, boots to wash, and clean up properly. Yeah, people smile when they come. Yeah.
All right, thanks very much, sir.
Yeah. Thanks again. All right.